Progressive muscle relaxation. Progressive muscle relaxation is an exercise that relaxes your mind and body by progressively tensing and relaxing muscle groups throughout your entire body. You will tense each muscle group vigorously, but without straining, and then suddenly release the tension and feel the muscle relax. You will tense each muscle for about 5 seconds. If you have any pain or discomfort at any of the targeted muscle groups, feel free to omit that step. Throughout this exercise, you may visualize the muscles tensing and a wave of relaxation flowing over them as you release the tension. It is important that you keep breathing throughout the exercise. In fact, with each exhale, think the word relax. Let's begin. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or laying down in a location where you will not be interrupted. Allow your attention to focus only on your body. If you begin to notice your mind wandering, just bring it back to the muscle you're working on. Take a deep breath through your abdomen, hold for a few seconds, and exhale slowly. Again, as you breathe, notice your stomach rising and your lungs filling with air. As you exhale, imagine the tension in your body being released and flowing out of your body. And again, inhale and exhale. Feel your body already relaxing. As you go through each step, remember to keep breathing. So let's begin. Tighten the muscles in your forehead by raising your eyebrows as high as you can. Hold for about 5 seconds. And release. Now pause for about 10 seconds, focusing on the sensation of relaxation. Now smile widely, feeling your mouth and cheeks tense. Clench your teeth and hold for about 5 seconds. And release, appreciating the softness in your face. Now pause for about 10 seconds, enjoying the relaxation. Next, tighten your eye muscles by squinting your eyelids tightly shut. Again, hold for about 5 seconds. And release. Pause for about 10 seconds. Focus on the sensation of relaxation and breathe out the word relax. Next, gently pull your head back as if to look at the ceiling and hold about 5 seconds, feeling the tension in your neck. And release, feeling the tension melting away. Breathe and enjoy. And now feel the weight of your relaxed head and neck sink. Breathe in and out, and in and out. Let go of all the stress. In and out. Now, tightly but without straining, clench your fists and hold this position until I say stop. Hold for about 5 seconds. stop and release. Pause for about 10 seconds and enjoy the relaxation. And now flex your biceps. Feel that buildup of tension. You may even visualize that muscle tightening. Hold for about 5 seconds. And release, enjoying the feeling of limpness. Breathe in and out. And now tighten your triceps by extending your arms out and locking your elbows. Hold for about 5 seconds. And release and pause again for about 10 seconds as you're enjoying the feeling of relaxation. And now lift your shoulders up as if they could touch your ears. Hold for about 5 seconds. And quickly release, feeling their heaviness. Pause for about 10 seconds. Tense your upper back by pulling your shoulders back, trying to make your shoulder blades touch. Hold for about 5 seconds. Release and pause and breathe. Now tighten your chest by taking a deep breath in. Hold for about 5 seconds. Expand those lungs. And exhale, blowing out all the tension. And now tighten the muscles in your stomach by sucking it in and holding tight for 5 seconds. And release and breathe out. Exhale, relaxation. Now gently arch your lower back and hold for 5 seconds. Release and relax. Feel the limpness in your upper body, letting go of the tension and stress. Hold for about 5 seconds. And release and relax. And now tighten your buttocks. Hold for about 5 seconds. And imagine your hips falling loose as you let go and relax. And now tighten your thighs by pressing your knees together as if you were holding a penny between them, and lift your legs off the ground or above the bed and hold tight for 5 seconds. And release and pause for about 10 seconds. You now flex your feet, pulling your toes towards you and feeling the tension in your calves. Hold for about 5 seconds. Release, relax, and feel the weight of your legs sinking down. Pause for about 10 seconds. Curl your toes under, tensing your feet. Hold. Release and relax. Now imagine a wave of relaxation slowly spreading through your body, beginning at your head and going all the way down to your feet. And now, as a last part, go ahead and tighten the entire body, all the muscle groups that you can think of, all the way from your head to your toes, and hold. And release and feel the weight of your relaxed body. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. In and out. Calm, peaceful, ready to go on with your day. This meditation practice has been adapted from the Anxiety and Phobia Workbook by Edmund Bourne.